Well, happy Earth Day from the UW Art Museum. I'm Nicole Crawford. I'm the Director and Chief Curator, and in honor of Earth Day, I'd like to share with you about a special art project that the museum has been privileged to be part of. In December 2019, a gallery in New York contacted our collection staff and asked if we would be willing to ship 5 gallons of red Wyoming dirt to an artist studio in England. Of course, we were intrigued. This was part of an ambitious project by Andy Goldsworthy. Goldsworthy is known for his site-specific installations involving natural materials and the passage of time. As an internationally known artist, we of course jumped at the opportunity to be part of this project. The idea for the project came out of a visit to Rockefeller Center in New York by the artist in November of 2019. And if you've ever been to Rockefeller Center, you'll know the iconic flags that surround the ice rink around in the plaza. When Goldsworthy visited, the US state flags were flying in place of the usual flags that represent the UN countries. And in his response, he proposed to replace these flags with the flags he creates using earth from each state, essentially creating new state flags. The project, titled Red Flags, was almost completed when COVID-19 pandemic struck. It was intended to be shown for Earth Day 2020. However, it was postponed to September through October that same year. But during the delay, the artist flew a flag from each state at his home in Scotland. Goldsworthy has said, "Red flags have been a journey I have taken without leaving home. It spans an entire country and has connected me to so many people across the US." The Art Museum is honored to be invited to participate in this installation and are excited to include a part of the project into our permanent collection. The work is a small study which has a mix of dirt from all 50 states on a piece of cotton. I'm so delighted that we're able to highlight this artwork on Earth Day, as the artist had intended only a year later. Wishing everyone a happy and healthy Earth Day from the UW Art Museum. Now go outside and enjoy it.